Not sure.
Hi, can you hear me, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay. So today, Lynn, we are going to have or to continue the activity that we did yesterday, okay? Okay. So here we go, Lynn. Let me share to you the screen so we can start. Okay. So, Lynn, this was the activity that we did yesterday. Okay. Can you remember this? We already did this one, right? Do you still remember?
Yes.
Okay. We finished doing this one, so we will be moving to the next activity. Okay. So here, if you make spelling mistakes in the reading and writing, you will not get a mark for the answer, even if you have matched the correct words to sentences. Remember to check the spellings after finish the exercises, okay? But before that, Lynn, I have here a question for you first. Okay, are you ready? Let's do some
Yes.
speaking. Okay, Lynn. Lynn, what was the last birthday party you went to?
The cinema.
Okay. And what did you do there again? I What did you do there?
And I watched a movie.
Okay, you watch a movie? Is that what happened in the birthday party? Yes? Okay, now here, number 2. What's your favorite movie, Lynn?
My favorite movie is
What's your favorite tattoo? Oh, sorry, movie.
my favorite movie is Baby Bus.
Again, Lynn,
My favorite
movie
movie
is
is Baby Bus
Baby Boss. Okay. Why do you choose Baby Boss?
because it's good.
Because it's cute. Yeah, I have also you know it. I have also watched that kind of um what do you call this movie? Okay, it's so cute. Now here, Lynn, how about this one? What food and drink do you take in when you have a picnic?
I think beer and milk.
Again?
I think beer, some fruits and milk.
Oh, that's what you do? Now, have you tried going to the picnic? Okay. Now here, number 4. What's the name of the nearest hospital, Lynn? Is there a nearest hospital? Lynn, is there a hospital near your place? Lynn? Hello? Okay, Lynn. What's the name of the nearest hospital in your place? It's the, what is it? There's no? Okay. Here, is someone in your family, Lynn, a dentist? No or yes?
No,
Yeah. Okay. Who is that? Who is the dentist in the family?
nose dentist.
Oh. How about a nurse? Is there a nurse in your family?
No,
No. How about a doctor?
Mars uncle.
Okay. Okay, how about here, Lynn? Lynn, I want you to complete numbers 2 and 3 using the word hot, well, cold, sick, bad, asleep, quiet, tired, dirty, terrible, brave, careful. Go. Go, Lynn. Okay, Lynn, I want you to review your answer, Lynn, because I can see a mistake here. Okay? Come on, try. I'll give you 1 minute.
Sometimes when you are not well and your body is cold, you have a temperature. When your mom has a child, his age, it's a good idea to be pious. Be very pious at home. Be careful when you hungry. Then ice those chocolates, ice creams on Sunday, and then his has a terrible summer.
Okay. Ready now?
Yes.
Okay, now here, let's check your answer. Sometimes when you are not, number one is well, and your body is blank, you have a temperature. If you have a temperature, Lynn, what do you feel with your body? Your body is, look at here, hot, not cold. Okay, your body is hot, you have a temperature. Next, number two, when your mom has a tired headache, let's check. It's a bad headache. It's a good idea to be very, okay, quiet at home. Correct. Next, number three, be careful when you're hungry. Sam ate 5 huge chocolate ice creams on Sunday, and then he had a terrible stomach ache. Okay, Lynn, you just got two mistakes only. So careful in answering, Lynn. Okay? Not bad. Okay, not bad. All right. So here, Lynn, I have your questions. Lynn, what can you do when you're cold?
I wear a jacket.
Huh?
I wearing a jacket.
You wear jacket. Next, here. What's a good thing to do when you're tired? Okay, Lynn, what's a good thing to do when you're tired?
This
Huh? You?
this book.
Okay.
This book.
Your Facebook. Okay, here. What? Okay, here. What can you do when your hands are dirty?
First, wash my hand.
Okay, I wash my hand with.
This mom.
Okay, here. Okay, Lynn, I want you to look at the pictures and read the example. So as you can see here, I have here people in the pictures. Okay, now here we go. Lynn, I want you to look at the picture and try to write the missing words to complete this one. Okay, go. Okay, wait me. Lynn, you enter again, Lynn, because the time is, the Zoom is about to close, okay? Enter again.